Hi guys, today I'm here with a very interesting product, and that's a 10x macro lens kit from APEXEL. It's supposed to fit for most of the smartphones, especially for iPhone, Samsung, but almost every other smartphone because it's a very flexible kit. So I'm going to open the box, take it out, show you everything and then how to use it. What's also important to know is that it is a 100mm macro lens and it comes with a Cpl filter. And so here's what we get. It comes also with a user guide, but I'm going to show you that anyway. And it comes also with some nice carry case where we have everything nicely stored and which we can use to transport where we want to use it. Really nice. Comes also with some sticker tape, cleaning towel, and then the lens kit itself. It has a very flexible bracket. And here's the lens itself nicely protected, so we can remove this protection here. So looks really nice, good quality. And we also have this protection cap here. And so this will then fit here on this side. You can screw it in and have a really good solid hold. And so we can move the lens from left to right exactly where we want it, as you can see. And it comes also with a standard 1/4-inch tripod mount. So here we have a Samsung Galaxy phone, and so we slide it in here. We pull it apart a little bit, and now we have to align the camera here. So I think it's nicely centered here on top of the camera. We have to just move it up here a little bit. So I think we have it here in a perfect position. And what's also very important is that we have it flat here, exact same distance on the left and on the right side. And so we open the camera and let's see if we can see something. Oh yeah, we can really get super close now. So let's try again without this additional lens. Yeah, we can also get pretty close here. I don't see much of a difference, honestly. I mean, it looks nice somehow. But really, how does it help? Maybe a little bit, but I mean, it has also some limits. When we go closer, about from an inch or so, yeah, when we get closer, you can see it has also some limitations. And I mean, we have same thing. We can zoom in about same. Maybe it's a little bit better, but 10x or so, I don't see this. I mean, the quality of the lens seems to be pretty good. The opening for the hole is good. The construction is pretty solid, but it will push quite hard to your phone and your buttons. That's always the biggest problems of such constructions. It will push pretty hard on your buttons, and then it could be that you can't do anything anymore, because when it pushes here it will do some strange things which you don't want. Maybe even hit the on off button, and then it's impossible to turn it on again when you have this lens here on top. I mean, it's a nice idea, probably one of the better implementations of such a thing if you want to give it a try, but I don't see a huge difference, and I think it's questionable if it's worth the price. But if you want to try it, why not? I mean, again, the quality of everything looks pretty good. I've seen a lot of similar things which look very cheap lens, cheap construction. Here we have definitely better construction, and also we have this tripod mount. So if you want to give it a try, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing of this lens kit down into the description anyway, so you can check it out and do whatever you want to do. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.